So this is the ravpower file hub, and this is a 500 gigabyte SanDisk SSD drive. I'm going to show you how these two work perfectly together, and it can end up saving you a ton of money if you're purchasing a new laptop or an iPad. And stick around to the end of the video. I'm going to show you how you can win one of these SSD drives for yourself in our first giveaway for reaching 1,000 subscribers. Let the download begin. So guys, if you're new here and you want to learn how to use and troubleshoot devices plus some other cool tech stuff, we can help. All you need to do is hit that subscribe button and that bell for notifications so you don't miss when we release some cool, helpful content. So since a lot of you probably don't know what the heck this thing is, I'm just going to go into some detail on the features that it has to offer, and then I'm going to tell you exactly how you can use those features to help save you a ton of money if you're purchasing a new iPad, tablet, or laptop. So the ravpower file hub is basically a travel router. You can use it as a portable router. If you have a wired connection, you connect an Ethernet wire directly into it, and it doubles as a router in your area. You can also use it as a wireless SD reader. You can connect portable SSD drives to it that can then wirelessly connect to your iPad, iPhone, any kind of smartphone or tablet or laptop that you have. You can back up photos, you can transfer data, you can use it as a portable network attached storage. It even has a 700 milliamp battery that you can use to charge your mobile devices. And using this thing is actually pretty easy. You just have to power it on, hit that Wi-Fi button, make sure the Wi-Fi signal is turned on. It begins generating a local area network that your devices can connect to wirelessly, and then you can basically just insert an SD card or use an external hard drive connected to that, and all those files that are connected to those particular devices then become available to you. Now, it supports up to 5 phones, tablets, or laptops connected to it simultaneously. So if you're ever in a scenario where you need to share some files, or people need access to multiple files that you have stored on your SSD drive or on your SD card, you can actually use this as a file sharing option locally. So 5 people sitting in a room, they need access to the files, connect your portable SSD drive or your SD card to the file hub, and everybody can simultaneously access those files, at least up to 5 people anyway. And really, to access those files, all you need to do is either log into the ravpower hub app that you can download from the App Store or the Google Play Store, or you can use the actual IP address of the device itself. Normally you can find the IP address either in the instructions, or if it's already connected to a device, you can read the IP that way. Now, it also does have one key backup, and basically what this is if you connect a portable drive and you insert an SD card, you can actually just press one button and then it'll automatically back up everything that's on that SD card directly to the portable hard drive that is connected. And really, all you need to do is make sure that the Wi-Fi signal is turned on, plug in the drive, put in the SD card, wait until the SD light isn't flashing. When the light isn't flashing anymore, you can press and hold the SD USB button for about 5 seconds. The light's going to flash again. You're going to wait until the light isn't flashing anymore, and your backup has been completed. And then now all you have to do is check to make sure that the backup went through properly. It's probably one of the easiest things and easiest ways to back up anything you have on an SD card to a portable hard drive. Now, like I said initially, why I really like this device is because it's really, really convenient, and it can end up saving you a ton of money. We all know that when you're purchasing like an iPad or a laptop or any kind of tablet or laptop, you run into an issue with how much storage you actually do need. And the more storage you add, the higher the price becomes on those particular devices. So you can actually use this as a storage alternative if you don't want to spend any kind of money up front on the storage that you believe you would need. Now, you do have like iCloud options, but those can get pretty expensive as well, depending on how much storage you're needing. So you can actually adjust your storage level based on what you want without sacrificing too much in the convenience factor using these two devices hand in hand. You purchase the ravpower hub, you get a portable SD hard drive, and you connect it to that file hub, and you have access to all your files. It's not that big, so it's not too hard to carry around, especially if you're carrying like a bag. If you're a technician or college student or someone just, wants to do work, you probably have some kind of bag that you're carrying around with you. Anyway, this can fit very easily in any kind of carrying bag that you have. It even fits in your pocket, so it's really not that cumbersome to carry it around. You throw it in your laptop bag, you connect it, you store your files directly into it. And one of the things I really enjoyed is that you can connect to it wirelessly. The app itself needs some updating. I don't like the interface too much, but it works for what it needs to. It's basically just a storage app. You access your files, you can go in, you can change location of files, you can rename files, you can delete files, you can create new folders, you can create new files. So it basically acts as a file hub normally, the way you would normally interact with any kind of file directory. directory, and it connects wirelessly, which is a big bonus. So again, you can either connect via a web browser accessing the IP address of the file hub directly, or you use the application to connect to your file directory. Again, you can even share the file simultaneously between 5 people. So this thing really does come in handy if you are someone that needs to store, access files on a continuous basis, and you don't want to spend too much money on upgrading your laptop or upgrading your tablet at the beginning. It can be really expensive, and storage is extremely important. If you're someone that's looking for an alternative to storage, this is definitely the way to go. Go ahead and get yourself one of these. Go ahead and get yourself a portable SSD drive. Connect the two together, and you'll be surprised just how functional and how next level your workflow becomes accessing your files on the go. So guys, since storage is so important, we've decided to give away a 500 gigabyte SSD drive from SanDisk. So all you need to do to enter this giveaway is be a subscriber to the channel and comment down below in this video on where you live and what your favorite device is, what your favorite tech device is. So of course, my name is Arain. I live in New York, and my favorite tech device, believe it or not, my Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So something similar to that, and I'll go through the comments and I'll pick out a winner. The winner is going to be announced next month, so stay tuned to our videos. Make sure you have your notification on so you know when we announce the winner of this giveaway. Guys, thank you so much for checking out the video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share, subscribe with that bell for notifications so you don't miss when we release some cool, helpful content like this one. Until next time, guys. Peace.